Hey, it's Kilo Loco, and welcome to SwiftUI Weekly. This week we're going to be going over the list view. A list is a container that presents rows of data arranged in a single column. Now, you're probably going to be working with one of two types of lists. Either you're going to be working with a static list or a dynamic list. A static list is a list where you're manually entering in the different types of elements that you want to show in your list. You can enter in each of these views as its content, and you're not limited to only entering the same type of view. You can actually use several different types of views in your list. And then there's the dynamic list. The dynamic list is going to take in data, and it's going to use that data to populate the contents of the list. Now, if you're going to do something simple like take an array of objects, pass it to your list, and then populate that list with that single object, then what you can do is you can actually pass the row content for the list. As long as your initializer takes in one of the elements that comes from the array that you're populating the list with, it will automatically handle everything else for you. So that's pretty much it for this week. Thanks for stopping by, and make sure you subscribe. We'll catch you again next week on SwiftUI Weekly.